Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So before we get started, I do have on one coat of UNT ready for takeoff pillable base coat on top of my build gel, and I did apply off camera one coat of Born Pretty's base coat and cured for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And so with this particular color that we're using today, it is Sea Blue Cat Magnetic Gel Polish. So I purchased this polish probably a little maybe around Black Friday or after Christmas sometime during that holiday shopping season. I purchased this off of the Born Pretty site, and so I wanted to use that because these are my birthday nails. I wanted something different, but I had a little bit of I didn't have a whole lot of time. And so with magnetic gel polish, you do need a magnet to get that cat eye or velvet effect. I'm still working on it. I think this came out really well. And so with this color being called Sea Glass, I'm assuming that it was meant to be a little translucent. So I'm just applying a thin coat to my nails. And with magnetic gel polish, I would recommend that you do maybe 1 to 2 nails at a time. Use the magnet to get the effect that you're looking for and do a flash cure, and then do the other 2 nails, use the magnet to get the effect that you want, flash cure, and then cure your nails for a full 60 seconds. Born Pretty gel polishes are a 60-second cure. No, these are not TEMA free gel polishes, but I don't have a gel sensitivity, and I hope I never develop one. And so I'm just applying that one thin layer to my index finger and my middle finger, and this is in real time, so I polish really slow. That's why a lot of times my videos are sped up, and that's just to make sure that I get the coverage that I want on the nail. And before curing, you do want to make sure that you clean up any excess polish that you may have gotten onto your skin with a nail brush and alcohol. And so this magnet that I have is from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. It's just a magnet. You can use any magnet, and I'm just going to go along the side wall, the free edge of and then the other side wall, and then the cuticle area. And I end up doing a total of 3 coats. I only recorded 2 coats, but I did do 3 coats. And you can see my middle finger is pretty translucent. And so I'm gonna give that a cure. I'm then going in with the second coat and repeating that, and then I'm going to cure again in my LED lamp. And so my pinky looked really well after the first coat compared to my middle finger. And this portion is sped up because I was like, well, how long can you look at somebody polish some nails? I could look at it all day long. That's just me. But with the second coat, you can see the color became more pigmented and opaque. And again, I still do 2 nails at a time using the magnet, and then I flash cure, do the other 2 nails off camera, and then do a full 60-second cure. I did my thumbnail off camera and separately. So after I've done all 5 nails, you see it has that little velvety effect. I absolutely love it. I'm going to go in and apply Born Pretty's super top coat to all nails. My plan was to go in and use some transfer gel, but that didn't work like I wanted it to, and so I'm going to go in and do some nail stamping. And so again, I thought this was really pretty with that cat or magnetic effect. So after curing my nails for 60 seconds, I'm going in with Born Pretty stamping plate L015, and I'm going to use the vines with the roses. And so this is a silver stamping polish. I thought it would look good over the magnetic gel polish, but I really didn't like it over that. It just didn't pop enough for me. And so I'm just applying the polish. I'm going to scrape at an angle, and I had to scrape multiple times just because the polish kind of blended together on the stamping plate. Just rolling the stamper. I got a clean image, and I'm just going to press that on the nail, and you'll see once I apply that stamp to my nail that it doesn't really show up well. Kind of blends in with the magnetic gel polish. So I then decided to go in with a white stamping polish and try that same image on my left hand. And I think with the white stamping polish, it popped a little bit more. It was still hard to see, but it did pop. And so you can see the difference with the two. I think I like the white a little bit more, stood out more on the nail. And so off camera, I get that cleaned up. I clean up any excess polish from my cuticle area, and then I apply a layer of base coat, top coat, and cure for 30 seconds. So after you cure, you want to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil, which I've done off camera. So here is my right hand with the subtle stamping, and then I'm going to show you my left hand. The stamping is still subtle, but it shows up a little bit more on the nails. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It's free in 2023. Why not? So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.